Are you tired of showing your face on camera but still want to build a successful YouTube channel? What if I told you that some of the highest earning YouTubers never show their faces and you could start earning money from day one without waiting months for monetization? Stay until the end because I'm about to reveal a strategy that could change everything about how you approach YouTube. Welcome to the world of faceless YouTube channels, where anonymity meets profitability. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know to start your own faceless empire on YouTube. From understanding what faceless content really means to discovering the secret strategies that can get you monetized immediately, we're covering it all. So what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? Simply put, it's a channel where the creator never appears on camera. Instead, these channels rely on compelling visuals, engaging voiceovers, animations, stock footage, screen recordings, or text-based content to deliver value to their audience. Think of channels that create top 10 lists with dramatic music and stunning visuals, or educational content that uses animations to explain complex topics. The beauty of faceless channels lies in their scalability and privacy. You maintain complete anonymity while building a brand that can generate substantial revenue. Many creators prefer this approach because it eliminates camera anxiety, reduces production time, allows for easier outsourcing of content creation, and they can also run multiple channels simultaneously in order to maximize their earnings. Now let's talk about monetization, because this is where things get really exciting. Most creators think they need to wait until they hit the traditional YouTube requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But here's the game-changing secret that nobody talks about, and you can start earning from day one through alternative monetization methods. If you're here to build extra income or even a full-time business, monetization is key. But before you get there, think carefully about which niche you choose. Some creators earn $1,000 to $5,000 per million views, while others make $15,000 to $30,000. And with additional monetization strategies we'll share at the end of this video, you can scale that up to 5 times more. Speaking of revenue, let's explore the most profitable niches for faceless channels. Finance and investing content consistently commands the highest CPM rates, often reaching $15 to $30 per thousand views. Technology reviews and tutorials follow closely, especially content focused on software, gadgets, and digital tools. Health and wellness content performs exceptionally well, somewhere between $7 to $20, particularly channels focused on mental health, fitness routines, and nutritional advice. Business and entrepreneurship content attracts high-value audiences willing to invest in courses and coaching programs. True crime has exploded in popularity, with channels earning substantial revenue through engaged audiences who consume content constantly. Personal development and self-improvement content creates loyal communities that convert well for digital products and affiliate offers. However, here's where most creators make a crucial mistake. Instead of targeting these broad, competitive niches, successful faceless channels focus on sub-niches. Rather than creating general finance content, they might specialize in cryptocurrency for beginners or retirement planning for millennials. Instead of broad tech content, they focus on productivity apps for remote workers or gaming laptops under $500. This specialization builds trust and authority much faster than trying to cover everything. Your audience knows exactly what to expect, and you become the go-to source for that specific topic. This targeted approach also makes monetization easier because you understand your audience's specific pain points and can recommend relevant solutions. Now let's discuss the strategic publishing schedule that can accelerate your path to monetization. On day one, publish 3 high-quality videos to establish your channel's theme and give viewers multiple pieces of content to consume. This initial burst signals to YouTube's algorithm that you're serious about consistent content creation. For the first week, maintain daily uploads. This intensive schedule helps establish momentum and gives the algorithm multiple data points to understand your content and audience. During weeks 2 through 4, scale back to 3 videos per week, allowing you to maintain quality while building sustainable production systems. After the first month, focus on 2 or more high-quality videos weekly. This schedule balances consistency with quality, giving you time to analyze performance data and refine your content strategy based on what resonates with your audience. Let's set realistic expectations because success on YouTube requires patience and persistence. Most successful faceless channels don't see significant growth until months 3 to 6. The first 1,000 subscribers are always the hardest, but once you cross that threshold, growth typically accelerates exponentially. One of the biggest reasons many people fail is not a lack of consistency, but a lack of quality. Posting the same type of low-effort videos with poor narration or weak content will never bring results, no matter how often you upload. You need to know exactly what you're talking about. Create videos that deliver real value and learn how to track YouTube's algorithms and your analytics. We'll cover all of this in upcoming videos to make your journey of starting a channel much easier. Expect to invest significant time in learning video editing, thumbnail creation, and understanding YouTube's algorithm. Revenue in the first few months might be minimal, but channels that stick with consistent publishing schedules often see dramatic growth between 6 months and 1 year. Good news is that artificial intelligence tools have revolutionized faceless content creation. Text-to-speech platforms like ElevenLabs and Murph create incredibly natural-sounding voiceovers. Pictory and InVideo can transform scripts into complete videos with relevant stock footage and animations. ChatGPT, TubeMagic, and similar tools excel at generating scripts, titles, and descriptions that capture audience attention. For visual content, tools like Canva and Adobe Express simplify thumbnail and graphics creation. Video editing software like DaVinci Resolve offers professional capabilities for free, while simpler options like Filmora provide user-friendly interfaces for beginners. But here's something many creators don't realize. You don't have to do everything yourself. Successful faceless channels often operate as content businesses, outsourcing various aspects of production. You can hire scriptwriters on platforms like Upwork for $10 to $20 per script. Voice actors charge $20 to $50 for professional narration. Video editors typically cost $50 to $150 per finished video, depending on complexity. A complete video might cost between $100 to $300 to outsource entirely, but this investment often pays for itself once your channel gains traction. The key is starting with tasks you enjoy least or find most time-consuming, then gradually outsourcing other elements as revenue grows. While the easiest path might seem like outsourcing a team and letting others do the work for you, if this is your very first time, it's smarter to try doing everything yourself at the start. This way, you'll understand the process, gain real experience, and avoid spending thousands of dollars before you even know if your channel will take off, which can take months if it happens at all. The goal isn't to just drop a prompt into ChatGPT or MagicTube and copy the entire script, because quality content requires research, editing, and your own touch. The same goes for creating the video itself. Learning by doing will set the foundation for long-term success. Speaking of what works, let's discuss what definitely doesn't. Never use copyrighted music, images, or video clips without proper licensing. This can result in strikes, demonetization, or complete channel termination. Avoid clickbait titles that don't deliver on their promises, as this damages audience trust and hurts long-term growth. Don't neglect SEO optimization for your titles, descriptions, and tags. YouTube is essentially a search engine, and discoverability depends heavily on how well you optimize your content. Consistency matters more than perfection, so don't wait until you have expensive equipment or perfect editing skills to start creating. Most importantly, don't expect overnight success. Building a sustainable faceless YouTube channel requires treating it like a business, not a hobby. This means consistent scheduling, audience research, performance analysis, and continuous improvement of your content creation process. Oh, and almost forgot, I mentioned at the start of this video that you don't need to wait for YouTube monetization to start making money. Well, now it's time to reveal how. This method, combined with ad revenue, can boost your earnings significantly, with creators making anywhere from 100 to 500 CPM. In fact, more than 50% of many content creators' income comes from this strategy alone. While you're building toward YouTube's partner program, you can immediately leverage affiliate marketing, sponsored content, digital product sales, and direct brand partnerships. The key is creating content that naturally incorporates these monetization strategies without feeling pushy or sales-heavy. When your channel provides real value and trustworthy information, viewers naturally start to believe in you, and that's when they feel comfortable buying what you recommend. The key is choosing affiliate programs that are genuine and closely connected to your niche, so everything fits seamlessly with your content. This way you earn a share of each sale while building long-term trust with your audience. And don't worry, we'll dive deeper into affiliate strategies in our upcoming videos to make this even easier for you. The path to faceless YouTube success isn't always easy, but it's absolutely achievable with the right strategy and mindset. Remember that every successful channel started with 0 subscribers and views. Your unique perspective and consistent effort can build something truly remarkable. The opportunity in faceless content creation has never been better. With advancing AI tools, growing demand for educational and entertaining content, and multiple monetization strategies available, dedicated creators can build substantial income streams while maintaining complete privacy. Start with one video in your chosen sub-niche. Focus on delivering genuine value to your audience. Implement the publishing strategy we discussed. And remember that persistence beats perfection every single time. Your faceless YouTube empire awaits, and the only thing standing between you and success is taking that first step. If this video helped clarify your path forward, smash that like button and subscribe for more detailed breakdowns of each strategy we discussed today. Your faceless YouTube journey starts now.